I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the rust spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my
nigga just put roll shit, bro.
So mama found she didn't ledge. So told me that.
Here she is, guys. Here she is. Pretty sure I've said this before in previous videos. Whew, look at that thing on the walk off. Yo, that's a beautiful, beautiful car, yo. Once again, if you haven't checked out the F30 vs G20 video, definitely go to check it out, because the more and more I look at this car, the more and more I fall in love with it. It's like the perfect size, perfect. Except, I mean, I am a little big. I have been looking at M5s, but that's just another topic. The most important thing that, in my opinion, on these cars are what touches the ground. And the only four things that touch the ground, no matter what kind of build you have, are the tires. Now, all tires are not created equally. So it does not matter what tuner, what motor, what transmission, what fuel you're running. None of that stuff matters if the tires that you put in the car is complete shit. The Kumos aren't complete shit, but they're not too far away. I'm not here to complain and say I got ripped off. Those I think about like 170. So, you know, you get what you pay for. The tires do work, they're functional, they hold air, you can go fast in it. You don't feel as bad. However, they're just not up to that level that you get. A couple bucks to do some donuts and drifts in my M340. That's one of the reasons I got the rear wheel drive model, right? So yeah, kind of went out and did that. Should have a lot of fun. One of the things that I actually found out, or one of the things that I realized, is that I actually do better with like donuts and drifts and all of that kind of stuff on public roads more than I do in like an open lot. I'm not exactly sure why, but that's just the case. I was trying to do the, you know, big and then go into small drifts in an open lot, and I guess it's just I don't have that fear factor of hitting something, that it just doesn't end up as perfect as it should when I'm on like a crosswalk intersection thing in Mexico.
Get in the car now. What? Damn.
What you think about that?
I'm like, yep, well, there goes that pole.
I told you I'm nice with it in a tight zone. Tell you I'm not nice with it in a tight zone.
Nah, you got it.
Curb, like, don't hit it. Don't hit it. That makes me so good at it.
It's like you're going out towards it, you're still keeping it within a certain... Yeah, that's crazy. Yo.
Yeah, bro. I think I'm a professional at this point, but it's okay. Nah, I'm joking.
I ain't trying too hard. I got competitions. Let's see at those fucking takeovers.
Nah, I don't do it with cameras around and shit. I don't even know what possessed me to come over here and decide to film. Literally none. I was walking, I just seen a spot, so I just said whatever. Now, let's be real. I love doing burnouts and drifts too, but that's where the story gets funny. These tires, we all know they can't hook up, they can't grip as well. I kind of stated that even in the rain, the PS4 is better. However, one of my boys, he has a white all-wheel drive 340 with a downpipe tune, same kind of setup as mine. He has a high pressure fuel pump, but is that really something to make it faster than mine? Maybe, I doubt it. So we ended up doing some runs from a dig. We were supposed to do digs and rolls. However, his car had some malfunctions on it, so we couldn't really do rolls because I guess they gave out on the digs. Puppy right here, this puppy held strong, minus the spinning issues. Now off the line, my M340 bogged. It bogged. I show you guys the clips. Learning from racing the E63S, it being obviously an all-wheel drive car as well, I learned to get the best launch. Do not brake boost when you don't have the proper tire for, or do not when you have the proper grip. So I didn't brake boost. I just went ahead and put in Sport Plus, put traction mode, and just nailed the gas. To say, he got out ahead of me, and yeah, it took me extremely long to even catch up and reel him in. Realistically speaking, the race probably would have been over, but yeah, we weren't really racing. We were just out there doing it for fun, just seeing where the cars were at. I ain't gonna lie, he been a little hype. He been a little hype since he seen the race and seen how close the cars were. But I know I got him. I know I got it in me to take him, but I didn't have the proper tire setup. I know I didn't. I just wanted to have some fun. So yeah, can't wait to get the better tires back on the car. I'm gonna run him again. He's gonna get his car fixed and address all the problems that need to be addressed. But yeah, I'm gonna get the car. We gonna hook, and I'm gonna put about the car.
Yo, right hand's good. Yo, you beep. Go.
Main reason I say that is because if you pay attention to the video, you see the traction control light flashing. It was cutting power, and both videos it was cutting power as I was still remaining around the same vicinity of him. So full 673 pound-feet of torque was not able to be put down on the ground. It was whatever it is when it cuts traction. So yeah, when I get a proper tire for it, I'm gonna launch hard out the hole. You're gonna see. I could have put it in DSC off mode, but it's probably been like a really good smoky burnout show. I've even noticed doing roller anti-lag, it'll just spin the tires at like even a 40 roll. So nonetheless, good runs. His car is fast as hell too. That's the second video when I actually went, technically you call it him giving me the brake. He brake boosted and I actually floored it first. It was kind of neck and neck even though I'm spinning, whereas before when he honked, I mean he kind of knows when that third honk is gonna come, he hit it.
You ready?
This same car running all-wheel drive with an alley, the rear-wheel drive version, just because traction. I'm not sure exactly what tire he was running on it, but hey, all I know is I gotta give props to him because that thing moves. I was being cocky, yo. I thought, whatever, I ain't got good tires, blah blah blah. I still run around them, but yo, don't sleep on that F3340, man. Them Gen 1 B58s move out. And those are the same exact mods as mine. So don't take much to make these things complete beasts.
We'll pull up then, I'm gonna show you. I can't film in the car though.
You doing your You know what you doing, man. Never mind.
You hear this?
You hear this, man? Well done.
manager, bro.
How you do this shit?
Yeah, because you gotta put your foot in it. Oh, put it in manual mode. Just keep. Yo.
Yo, let me call you back. Text me. I'm filming right now.
Yo, you went way too fast in the turn, bro. Nah, the diff is opening up on this side. I see it.
40, like, yeah!
Don't do no. Yo, bro. Remember, you not a professional.
If you professionally think about
What
it.
you think? They even manage it? Over here's a bit different.
Nah,
The diff keep
yeah.
opening up.
Yeah.
Yo, bro.
Yo,
Bro,
Relax.
the diff kept opening up. You felt it. It's like it stops out of nowhere. That's the diff opening up. That means you either pressing the brake pedal or you
Where's he going?
You know what I like? The car. I can see it around the corner right now. Wow. No, don't do it. I'm gonna try to do the same shit. Okay. That's because you don't gotta make the car. I was waiting for the. You know how to. Yo, that's good. You did a good job.
5 stars. 5 stars.
not a professional. Scared? Why you so scared?
Oh,
Regardless,
Yeah, how you feel about this?
bro, I feel like.
let's get
What's the deposit side?
It's
I
recording?
got. It's a four-wheeler. I can't four-wheeler.
You definitely can. You definitely, he did. Yeah, you know, little. Oh, got back on.
Yeah.
He about to go right into his own car. Let's go. Oh shit! I ain't gonna lie. This shit moves crazy to the right, bro. He forgot to tell you that.
Yo, it was like, yo, in second gear, bro. I went like, yeah, it's 10. It was like.
So now I'm back inside the crib editing this video on the phone with Lay. Say what up, Lay?
What's up?
I'm talking to the vlog on YouTube.
You said what?
I said I'm talking to the vlog on YouTube right now.
Oh, wow.
My sister gonna be coming up here soon too. Nah, I'm ending the video. We're gonna do a couple little donuts, but you might be the last video. I got like 2 more, but you probably gonna be the last one. I'm actually kind of tired of doing the donuts in the car, bro. I feel like I'm beating it up.
You tired of buying new tires?
Yeah, the tires. No, well, those tires are gonna go soon. So when those tires are done, there's no more burnouts, no more donuts, unless it's like little slides. But Nothing crazy. Yeah, you gonna burn the tires out completely. So that being said, I'm gonna close this video out.
Y'all hear what he's saying?
Yeah,
Let's see.
I'm
Let's see if
serious.
he gonna
I'm not.
stick to it.
Yo, Lay, I'm not playing. Not playing, Lay.
Oh man, we'll see. We will.
Who's that? That's Keem? Who's that? Who's that?
Kelly used that blanket.
Junior.
Okay, I
Woo. Oh, Junior famous for the vlog. Junior, say hi to the vlog, Junior.
Uncle Michael, today I have a chick flake left in a box. There was flake left in the box.
You know what's crazy?
What's that?
We was adding up all these books. Like for him to get a book with the meal.